In a world where time moves fast, only a few honor the craftsmanship of the past. This is not just any clock. It's a masterpiece from the Louis XV era, a collector's dream, a symbol of prestige. Yet very few dare to restore such historical marvels. At the Watchley International, we are among the rarest artisans who breathe life back into these treasures. With meticulous care, expertise, and reverence for history, we ensure that the heartbeat of time never fades. Because some pieces aren't just clocks, they're legacies.